Hello Canon EOS M and Magic Lantern fans. Today I want to share a little video from my morning walk by the river. Just a spontaneous shoot using my favorite zoom lens, the Canon EOS 55-250mm. For this video I used the 3x3 crop mode at 12-bit RAW, which as I've mentioned before is the sharpest mode on this little camera. You know, sometimes you just want to grab your camera and shoot for the pure joy of it. No reviews, no tests, just for the soul. And this combination really hits that sweet spot for me. But what's your favorite mode and lens? You know, the one you just grab for pure joy? Drop your answers in the comments. I'd really love to know. I just want to say, you don't always need to hunt for the best lens or wait for the perfect moment. Stop overthinking, stop endless testing. Sometimes you just need to say enough. Pick up your camera and start shooting. Sometimes in the race for perfect quality or the ideal image, we end up never starting to shoot at all. And with summer coming to an end, even though a beautiful autumn is just ahead, now is the moment to simply pick up your camera and start creating. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.